Good morning, all students. Once again, welcome on online classes. In today lecture of class 10th Maths, we will discuss the area similarity theorem. Before that area similarity theorem, we already discussed in previous lecture about what is the basic condition for the similarity, how we will prove that given two triangles are similar, and before that in class we also discussed what is the basic proportionality theorem and what is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Understand? So in today lecture we will discuss the area similarity theorem. So what is the sufficient condition or what is the must condition for area similarity theorem, or where we will apply area similarity theorem? So area similarity theorem, condition for area similarity theorem is that given two triangles must be similar. So when we will use area similarity theorem, if given two triangles are similar, then we can use area similarity theorem. So understand what is the necessary condition for area similarity theorem. Area similarity theorem के लिए necessary condition क्या है? Given two triangles must be similar. Now we will write or we will discuss the statement. अब statement देखो, the ratio of area of two similar triangle the ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So that is the statement. Exam में आपको statement given होगा, then you will prove. So what is the statement? Again, listen. The ratio of the area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. Two triangles, triangle ABC, triangle PQR. So what is given? First of all, in that theorem, what is given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, given to you. And what we will prove here? Area of triangle ABC divide area of triangle PQR is equals to AB upon PQ whole square is equals to BC upon QR whole square is equals to CA upon RP whole square. Meaning is that the ratio of area of two similar triangle is equals to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Now we will do here construction. Construction क्या करोगे? देखो, draw a perpendicular AM and another perpendicular is the PN. So draw AM perpendicular on BC and PN perpendicular on QR. So we will draw here two perpendiculars in two given triangle. AM is perpendicular on BC and PN is perpendicular on QR. And now we will start our work. Proof part. So in proof part, what we will do here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR given or not. So the ratio of their corresponding sides are also equal and their corresponding angles are also equal. So AB upon PQ equal BC upon QR equal CA upon RP. Equation number first. Angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q and angle C is equals to angle R. Equation number second. Given के basis पे write कर दिया. Now we will find out the area of triangle ABC. So we know that what is the area of triangle? 1 upon 2 base multiply by the height. So what is the area of the triangle? 1 upon 2 base into height. So area of triangle क्या है? 1 upon 2 multiply base multiply by the height. So what is the area of triangle ABC? 1 upon 2 BC and what is the height? AM. Equation number third. Similarly, we will calculate here area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR. 1 upon 2 base is QR and PN. Equation number 4. बट इन प्रूफ देखो आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है. सो विल डिवाइडेड इक्वेशन थर्ड बाई इक्वेशन 4. डिवाइड करो, क्या बनेगा? एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC डिवाइड बाई एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR इज इक्वल्स टू 1 upon 2 BC multiply AM and 1 upon 2 QR multiply PN. Half cancel. So what we are observing here, area of triangle ABC divide to area of triangle PQR is equals to BC upon QR multiply AM upon PN. बट प्रूफ क्या करना है? देखो आपको दैट गिव द इक्वेशन नंबर 5. आपको स्टूडेंट्स प्रूफ क्या करना है? एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC टू एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR इज इक्वल टू AB अपॉन PQ होल स्क्वायर होना चाहिए. किसके इक्वल होना चाहिए? BC अपॉन QR के स्क्वायर के इक्वल होना चाहिए. और वो किसके इक्वल होना चाहिए? CA अपॉन RP के स्क्वायर के इक्वल होना चाहिए. मीनिंग इज दैट वी वांट टू प्रूफ AM अपॉन PN वैल्यू इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू BC अपॉन QR. आपको क्या प्रूफ करना है? AM अपॉन PN की वैल्यू भी क्या आनी चाहिए? BC अपॉन QR आनी चाहिए. सो हाउ विल प्रूव? इफ वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर. सो नाउ इन ट्राइंगल BAM and second triangle QPN, angle B is equals to angle Q, that is from equation number second angle AMB is equals to angle PNQ, region 90. So triangle BAM is similar to triangle QPN. Using which rule? Double A rule. And we also know that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are also equal. So a ratio of corresponding sides are equal. corresponding sides को रेशियो क्या बनेगा? इक्वल बनेगा. सो राइट डाउन AM अपॉन PN इज इक्वल्स टू BA अपॉन QP. इक्वेशन नंबर 6. AM अपॉन PN की वैल्यू किसके इक्वल है? BA अपॉन QP. बट फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट AB अपॉन PQ is also equals to BC upon QR or not? So from equation first AM upon PN is also equals to BC upon QR. Equation number 7. So from equation number, that is 5th and 7, from equation 5th and equation number 7. From equation 5th and 7, students, what we are observing here, आपने क्या observe किया है 5th and 7 से? From 5th and 7, area of triangle ABC divides to area of triangle PQR is equals to BC upon QR as it is. What is the value of AM upon PN? Also equals to BC upon QR. So we obtain here area of triangle ABC divide area of triangle PQR is equals to BC upon QR whole square, hence proof. Similarly, we can prove remaining also, because BC upon QR किसके इक्वल है? AB upon PQ. But from equation number 1, equation 1 से क्या रिजल्ट बनेगा आपका स्टूडेंट्स? एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC divides to area of triangle PQR, which is equals to AB upon PQ whole square equals to BC upon QR whole square equals to CA upon RP whole square. So understand? So in that given theorem, आपको given क्या था? If two triangles are similar, triangles is given to you here similar, then we will prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. For that, we construct that in both triangle are perpendicular. After that, we prove their two small triangles similar, then we will substitute the value. So necessary condition to apply the area similarity theorem is that, students, क्या है necessary condition? Given triangles must be similar triangles. Understand? Any problem? No. Now we will discuss one or two more examples based on that area similarity theorem. Then how we will prove? In that, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and area of triangle ABC is equals to 24 centimeter square. Second is area of triangle PQR is equals to 25 centimeter square. AB is equals to 4 centimeter. Then find PQ. So here how we will find out the PQ, students? First of all, here triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Given two triangles are similar, then we can use area similarity theorem. Then using area similarity theorem. So using area similarity theorem क्या बनेगा स्टूडेंट? स्टेटमेंट एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC डिवाइड एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR is equals to AB upon PQ whole square. So what is the area? 24 upon 25, 4 square upon PQ square. So how we will find out the value? 24 upon 25, 16 upon PQ square. So PQ square multiply 24, 16 multiply by 25. So PQ square equals to 16 multiply 25 upon 24. So what is the value of PQ? Under root 16 multiply 25 upon 24. And इसको solve कर लें. Understand? So here we can easily find out their corresponding side. How? Using the area similarity theorem. आपको क्या given था स्टूडेंट्स? Given two triangles are similar. then using area similarity theorem we find out the remaining side. Now the important result that you can learn also. देखो important result क्या है इसमें, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. AM perpendicular and PN is also perpendicular. So if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is also equals to the ratio of the square of their corresponding altitudes. Two triangles similar है, then the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is also equal to the ratio of the square of the corresponding altitude. उनके corresponding altitude के square के equal भी होता है. और if AM and PN are median, then area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR is also is equals to AM upon PN whole square. That is also another important result. Meaning is that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the areas of given two triangle always equal to the ratio of their square of altitude also and ratio of the square of their corresponding medians also. Median के ratio के square के भी equal होता है and second thing is that their altitude के ratio के square के भी equal होता है. Students, ये direct result आपको learn करने हैं. ये direct result MCQ questions में solve कर रहे हो, वहाँ पे काफी important. Understand? Any problem? So what is the condition for area similarity theorem? First question, the sufficient condition of area similarity theorem is that given two triangles must be similar. Given two triangles है वो क्या होनी चाहिए, similar होनी चाहिए. Second thing, if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. उनके corresponding sides के square के क्या बनेगा, equal बनेगा. So after watching that 2D class, all students do exercise 6.4 with example. Firstly आपको example solve करने हैं, then after you will go through the exercise. Understand? Now last question देखो. In that last question, given to you a square is given. A B C D is square. On describing on one side we make equilateral triangle. आपको क्या करना है, एक इसकी साइड को कंसीडर करते हुए एक इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल बना लिया E. Let side A and second equilateral triangle we draw taking by its diagonal. तो आपने क्या किया, सेकंड ट्राइंगल के लिए इसका डायगोनल बनाया. सो व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ डायगोनल, √2a यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. सो सेकंड इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल किसके रेस्पेक्ट में बनाया, इसके डायगोनल के रेस्पेक्ट में. F ले लो. देन फाइंड एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABE to the area of triangle DBF. So how we will find out the area of these two triangle? Easily. We know what is the area of equilateral triangle. We know that area of equilateral triangle is equals to √3/4 multiplied by the side square. In first triangle side is A, in second triangle side is √2a. So that is the all about the today lecture. In next lecture, we will discuss the remaining question of exercise 6.4. Understand? Thank you.